Alright, let's get started with today's video. So in this video, it's not really a tutorial. I just wanted to show you this project I made in like a day or two. It was just like, it took me a total of like maybe 3 hours. Actually probably took me about 5 just because of debugging and stuff. Cause I never really make a lot of HTML stuff and JavaScript stuff, but it was fun to make, to be honest. It was pretty easy because I understand algorithms and everything. But I wanted to show you this project, not really to show off, but more to ask you guys if you want to see this. So let me down in the comment section. Let me know down in the comment section below if you want to see something like this, where we just create a simple, user interface and solve a maze with it. So I don't know, I feel like that'd be an interesting video slash series on like algorithms and graphs and stuff. So let me know down in the comment section below. Yeah, I have a lot of projects coming on YouTube sooner than later. Definitely I would stay tuned if I were you. And I'm thinking of starting a machine learning with like a tutorial playlist with like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, maybe some PyTorch, we'll see. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you would like to see. And yeah, I hope y'all are safe. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe. And that will be it for today.